Hello, how are you guys? I'm going to make a bread, a regular white bread. We bake it at home and our children love it and they have been having it for some time now. So here is the yeast. You can see it's all foamed up, gone up with the bubbles. I just showed you yeast. Now this has gone up very nicely and now I'm going to put it in the stand mixer bowl. Yeast, now I'm going to add milk. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons oil. Isn't it very simple? For my Urdu followers, हमने yeast डाली है, दूध डाला है और ऑयल डाला है. ऑयल 2 टेबलस्पून डाला है, yeast फूल गई और फिर मिल्क. अब ये स्टैंड मिक्सर में है, इसको सबको ज़रा थोड़ा सा मिक्स कर लें. उसके बाद हम इसमें फ्लावर, आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड फ्लावर नाउ. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड सॉल्ट यानी नमक. और अब हम इसको थोड़ा मिक्स कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद फिर मशीन में करेंगे. जस्ट मिक्सिंग इट विद हैंड, जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इट इन द स्टैंड मिक्सर. And the bread is ready, as you can see. And now I have my bread tin ready. उसमें मैंने I put parchment paper inside. It just makes it easy to remove it later when it's ready. And this bread tin has a lid that we just slide on, and so it gives a perfect rectangle shape to the bread. You can do it without this also. That is not a must. Just trying to give it the same size as the tin is, although ये खुद ही फूल के shape ले लेती है, but थोड़ा सा let's do little bit. And I'm just going to place it here. As you can see, we have just put it inside, and it will puff up and take the shape of the tin, and I will show you as it does. This is the cover. We will just slide it from one side. It just goes in like this. So I have closed it and I will leave it like this, and it will take the shape of the tin. And so it takes about 30 to 40 minutes depending on the temperature of the room to rise, and then we'll bake it. You can also cover it with just plastic. It has risen very well, and now I'm going to bake it, just covering it with tin. And we have a homemade fresh baked bread.